Hello, good morning, Namaskar. Today I am share with you a new topic, conceptual image of the disease. So in this video we see four aspects for preparation of image of the disease or requirement for the formation of image. A homeopathic physician works with important points for formation of totality of symptoms, concomitants and generalization. What is health? Health, it is the state of a stable dynamic equilibrium in which the successful adaptation is achieved with the environment as a result of inherent power of adaptation. This is health. What is disease? The dynamic disequilibrium or the failure of adaptation either due to overwhelming external stress or inherent weakness in the power of adaptation. Therefore, a thorough understanding of the patient together with the environmental stress is essential if the homeopathic physician wants to prepare the disease picture effectively. These attitudes of psychosomatic correlation enables him to record all the symptoms. These are the four stages which a trained physician with an artistic mind follows. Number one is core of the disease. The causative factors help us to build the image of the disease. This cause has been defined as the invariable antecedent. What is invariable antecedent? The cause is the invariable antecedent of the effect. That is to say, whenever a given cause occurs, it always has the same effect. In this, in effect, consists the uniformity of the causation. A deep acting remedy cannot be selected without giving consideration to these factors. These factors are causative factors or elements from precipitating factors or emotional or physical predisposing factors. These factors not only make the patient more susceptible to the precipitating factors but also prevent him from recovery. These factors are diathesis, temperament, hereditary influences, miasm, suppression, vaccination, etc. Thus, the core of the disease gives us the basic framework of synthesis. Form of the disease. This means the clinical feature of the disease, which may be physical or mental or both. The modalities and concomitants are also important. These factors actually give the idea about the state of the illness. The symptoms should be studied with their location, sensation, modalities, and concomitants. Concomitants are very important in a case, especially the physical concomitants in a mental disease and mental concomitants in a physical disease or illness. Modalities also play an important role in the case. When we get both modalities and concomitants in a case, it is of great help in the remedy selection or selection of remedy. According to Dr. Robert, modalities common to the chief complaint and concomitant is very important. According to Robert, modalities common to the chief complaint and concomitant is very important. However, this outline of the disease will bring to our mind a number of medicine, so to select the simillimum from this group of medicine, we should consider certain individualizing factor which will differentiate one remedy from other. So this is about conceptual image of the disease. So formation or perceptions of conceptual image of the disease depends upon ability of that physician who take the case. So what is necessity requirement for case taking and what is knowledge required for case taking in different conditions, like in acute case, in chronic case, pure miasmatic case or mixed miasmatic case, in accidental case or in pseudochronic case. So how a patient explain own suffering in front of physician is also necessary, like in exaggerated form or in minimized form. So nature of symptoms and grade or intensity of symptoms depends upon ability of the narration of the patient and observation or understanding by the physician concerned. If conceptual image formation about particular disease or patient is perfect, then medicinal diagnosis, disease diagnosis, management and prognosis of the case will be correct. This is the future planning of treatment of any disease, may be in chronic or acute. So this required sound knowledge of the organon of medicine, homeopathic materia medica, and use of repertory. Thank you. You like, share and subscribe this channel. Thank you.